Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster MG. Today I'll be showing you this MG HS in Cosmic Silver. It's a brand new car which we have in stock for you. So yeah, to start off with, you got this LED headlight, xenon as well. Got these dynamic indicators which turn into daytime running lights. I'll show you on this side. So yeah, the automatic as well. You got front forks as well, 18-inch alloys. Really nice. You got rear privacy glass as well, silver door handles. You do have a sunroof with panoramic roof for the rear. Really nice. Seats wise, you got leather and Alcantara seats in front, which are adjustable and electric. On the rear, we got full leather interior, which has a fixed settings on both the sides. You do have a third climate control just down there, along with your couple of USBs down there as well. You have cup holders here. I'll show you that. Yeah, really nice. The seats to fold down all the way. In the rear, you got the LED tail lamp as well. You got dynamic indicators on the rear too. Dual exhaust system, rear parking sensors, along with a reverse camera. The tailboot is powered as well. Really nice. Big lovely boot. You do have storage space under here, along with your tire repair kit. Alternately, you can put a spare tire in there. Retractable powerful shelf, which is nice. Lovely. Coming around the car. Really nice. I'll just jump in and I'll show you inside. Got keyless entry as well on this car. All four automatic windows, along with your wing mirror function. Locking system there. The car does have blind spot recognition system just down there. So still on delivery miles, 13 miles on the car. Still on delivery, so all these lights on the dashboard are because it's not a PDI, which is post delivery inspection. So yeah, straight from the truck and in the showroom. Automatic headlights, auto wipers. You do have pedal shifters on either side. For your sports mode, multifunction steering wheel. On your left, you got your Bluetooth hands-free function, along with your entertainment modes. You do have the screen, which is the digital dashboard. We can customize it. You do have lane keep assist with adaptive cruise control, which is nice. You do have actual buttons now instead of everything on the screen. So yeah, USB down there for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You do have sat nav as standard, which is nice. Your DAB, FM, AM, Bluetooth, it's all down here as well. You do have heated seats for the front driver and the passenger, along with your dual zone climate control. So yeah, different modes here. Your hazards down here, the driving modes I'll show you in a second. So yeah, you got eco, normal, sports and custom. You can alternately open your boot from down here, auto on and off, hill descent mode, your electric parking brake and auto hold. Couple of cup holders, some storage space here, more storage space down there. So yeah, the car's here with us, so why not pop down, have a look. Alternately, you can book us an appointment to test drive this car. So yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.